cold or hot, 1000 degrees glowing ball or minus 196 degrees Celsius liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is nitrogen in a liquid state at an extremely low temperature, minus 196 degrees Celsius. 1000 degrees glowing ball. A metal ball heated up to a glowing state and temperature of about 1000 degrees. Everything is almost ready, but just to show you how cold liquid nitrogen is, just watch what will happen to this jelly bear after 1 minute in liquid nitrogen. Right, just a piece of ice. And now 1000 degrees glowing ball. Let's do it. Because of the temperature difference, this metal ball should just crack or even split. Let's get it and see. Jeez! These are the cracks. Do you believe that? The ball seems to have lost in this battle of ice and fire. Holy, just look at that! And yeah, just look at my metal container for liquid nitrogen. It just burned. Guys, I still need your crazy unusual ideas for my new experiments, so don't be shy to share it. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.